Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make kind of Friday Night Funkin' and thing on Scratch. I wouldn't really call it that much, but similar. Not like the full game, it's just like a little character thing because it's really hard to make a really well working Friday Night Funkin' on Scratch. I've tried and failed, and I have never gone back. Okay, well, just wait for this project to load in, and no, this will not be shared. So if I were able to edit the video, I would just get rid of that big share button at the top. Okay, where is this? Oh, images. The last time I did this. So the character we're going to be working with isn't one of my own characters. Just wait for it to load in. It's just going to take a while, isn't it? Is this character. It's pretty sure it's the spooky minus mod or something like that. Something on the lines of that, and if my sources are correct, the creator is Lago Anis. If I am correct, actually I don't know if I pronounced that right either. I'm just gonna put a name with it because I want to. So one thing that I need to do first, I've tested with this many times before. Why did I talk like that? What is wrong with me? Okay. So I first of all, you know what? I'll just show you how to get this first part done. Okay, first of all, get when I receive message in that box. Normally put start game, but you could just use the new message thing because you only really need one message for this. Make a variable called idle. Okay, let's just give you one person, but then have it so idle is set to 1. Get a forever box. Get a loop 1, loop 2. How many frames are there? 8. So 4. And then make it so it changes and repeat 4 times, and then the first one change idle by 1 every repeat the idle changing by 1 4 times, and then after that get another when I receive start game, then get a forever loop, whatever you want to call it. Get this thing. That's a long name. And then do that, and then click. And this is exactly what I was going to do at the beginning. Whenever I do it like this, the animation is way too fast. So I'm going to need to copy this, go to paste that there, convert that to a bitmap because I like bitmap. Actually, don't ask why I just deleted someone. At the end, it should end up with like 16 frames because I attempted to record this before. It failed miserably. It was worse than any of my other videos. It was worse than the Geometry Dash videos. Jeez, I've sounded very different in a lot of the times. Just there, to me, it sounded like I was like British or something. Wait, what? I just made a discovery. Oh, jeez. Well, I just made a discovery, my people. It took forever, or like a lot of time of the first time I tried recording this, going through. Ooh, when I could have just duplicate. Oh, gee. This is sad. For me, because I wasted so much time. And now, why, Hayden? Why? Why didn't I just right click? Okay. So now, now it's a bit better. I sometimes don't like it. Okay. Now to get, add the different, the right, left, up, and down sprites. Images, let's go, boys. So that, where is it? Up, left, right, left. Yeah, that's all the sprites should be. Okay, forgot left. Okay, now all I need to do is get the left sprite, which is well, hopefully this one doesn't go to 35 minutes. You know, the previous one I looked at, it was like 35 minutes. Yay, only one thing. Jeez. Stop you. Okay. Very big difference in sprite size. Yeah, I feel like that's good. Jeez, this is like the flippin' hardest part of it. It's not even, doesn't even seem that hard to most, doesn't seem that hard to people. But it is difficult, really annoying. Like, literally, actually the hardest part was probably getting this sprite, because this is, I just looked up looked up, like went to Google and went spooky minus is FNF spooky minus mod odd sprites, and I found all the sprites except the one for the down nose. It was really annoying. Well, I could find it. I knew what it looked like. I just couldn't get actual transparent background picture of it, or one that was actually. So then I had to go onto my photo editing software because I have one for some strange reason. Yeah, that one's like really well already. It's like it was already made for it. Okay, code. Now we have this. Are you gonna work? Okay, no. I seriously don't want to. Okay. I'm probably gonna go with this, and then. Okay, so for this part, I'm gonna do when flag clicked make broadcast start game. So now the game starts. Great. Okay. Get 4 when certain, but no, I don't want to say something about it. Get 4 of these because you need 4 of them for the job. Why did I just say that? Oh. Okay. After getting 4 of those, you're gonna need 4 stop uh, blocks. Make it so it's stop other script in the sprite, because yeah, we do not care about the other script in the sprite. Put them each on this. Then you're gonna need 4 switch costume to keys or blocks with. And after that, get 4 play sound until done blocks. You can just easily, if you're doing this on like laptop or computer or whatever, you can, or something with the mouse, you can use blah blah blah. You can right click to get. You can right click to duplicate if you didn't know that. Then after that, get 4 weight blocks. And actually, I just messed up there. And put them to 0.5 seconds. That's what I normally put. You can put any time that you want. But to be warned, you probably don't want to put. I prefer 0.5 because that I prefer that. That's my preferred time for it because it's good. You'll see what it has to do with later in the video. Yeah, volume's up all the way. Okay, then after that, get broadcasts. Not wait. Just get 4 broadcast start game, or broadcast blocks, aux, and put them on each of these. Okay. Then you need to go through and change some of this stuff. So change each of these to each of the arrows. So preferably, I don't know why I always go in the order that they are, so up, down, left, and right. And since this one's up, gotta go all the way down. Minus spooky month up. This one's down. This one's so that one right. So now we got the animation part done. Now time to get done with the sound. For that, we're going to need to take a trip to YouTube. Yeah. 15 minutes already, or like a quarter, 16 minutes, wow. FNF spooks, Z's, vocals only. What the heck? That volume was terrifying. That was terrifying. One second, I'm just adjusting the volume for that. Okay, then you're gonna need to go back here. Well, if you're doing it like I am, if you're doing a character from the game, then you're gonna have to do what I'm doing. If you're doing a different, like your own character, then you can obviously just record or your own sounds. But I personally need to do this for mine. That's gonna lag. Then go back, pause that. Wait. Okay, wait, that's gonna lag. Okay, there was that. I'm gonna turn down my volume again. I am just realizing how loud my volume is. It's still loud. Does that even affect it? I don't think it does. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna save that. You need to go back to YouTube. Just get rid of the vocals only, so it's just Spooksies. And also, you're probably gonna need to go back here. Get 4 surprise ones. Or this only you only need to do this if you're using an actual character from Friday Night Funkin' actually, or if you're just doing something else of someone that actually has like the lines for the different things. Come on, just get. This is gonna be annoying. Wait a second. What? Okay, I'm confused. I'm now confused in life. What just happened? Okay, yay. Okay. Up. Down. Dwan, I guess. Dwan, whatever. What? Okay, down. Left. I will finally be complete the game. Right. Okay. Now we need to go to, yeah, this, I guess. Stick that.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. Gotta watch this a bit. So it's... Okay. So... Wait. So... This bit is the first part for it, as seen in this. It's this first part right here. That's what that first note is. That first note. But just because I want to, I'm going to expand it to the second one. Bit too far out. Okay. Yeah, that's how I'm going to have it. So that would be left. Because I'm just going to... Because it's... No, that's... No. I'm going to make it slower, because for those who don't know, I'm pretty sure Spooksies and South are which are the two first levels, first two levels of week 2 of Friday Night Funkin'. I'm pretty sure they're both sung by each one of the spooky kids, which are Skid and Pump. Skid is the skeleton and Pump is the pumpkin, obvious. But Spooksies, I'm pretty sure, sung by Skid, or Pump, I mean, whatever, blah blah blah. And then South is sung by Skid. So I'm making this one, since he's obviously holding a microphone, I'm gonna make it be Spooksies, but I'm gonna change the stuff a bit. Yeah, that's good. So that's down. Just because why not? I'm gonna go in here, so because I'm bored and I don't want to do that right now. I want to do something really quick. I'm gonna go through here and change these to be in, so I can actually show the thing while I'm before I do this again. So that's how it goes. I kind of strayed away too much, so just check. The next note would be right, so that would mean so. So yeah. Right. I'm gonna make that bit. Copy, paste. So now I've got I do not like the up one. I literally do not. Die. I'm gonna do this. Copy. So there's that. Now just to get a backdrop in this. And I'm probably gonna get the original. I'm probably gonna record the original things because Skin Pump originated from an animation, YouTube animation called Spooky Month because yeah, that's a thing, and yeah, I'm gonna use the actual. I have no idea which is the thing. I'll just get both of them. I have no idea which is which. I cannot tell which is the actual picture I want. Nevertheless, yeah, it's, yeah. Oh, yeah, make this stretched out so I can see the screen. See the screen. I command you to go up. Okay. Bring this dude down a bit. So now we've got okay, now just to get back on YouTube, because this just become a full-on project. I might actually upload this. Just of course I'm gonna. No, actually no, I'm not going to. Reasons. Spooky month soundtrack. Spooky month, not spooky month. Spooky month. Okay, yeah. Spooky swings. What is this? Yep. This song the original song. Time to go back onto this. There's Van Dude, of course. Yes, I have actually seen this. Actually, I'm gonna put this with the background. I do not care about your pop. That is always the thing. Okay. I'm gonna be staying here for a while. Yeah, this level is getting 35 minutes, of course. Probably 40 minutes, actually. Almost an hour. My longest video yet. And it all is because of this thing. Yep. I knew I won't have to stay there the entire time. I know that's right. And it all is because of this thing. Okay, I'm an idiot. I am literally an idiot. Probably 40 minutes, actually. Almost an hour. Yeah, this level is getting 35 minutes, of course. Probably 40 minutes, actually. Almost an hour. My longest... I'm an idiot. I'm a literal idiot, but who cares? I don't care. I literally do not care. And when I click that, forever, play. So now, whenever I do this, click this. It's got that music in the back. Yeah, I'd say this is pretty well made. I'm still gonna keep it for myself. I'm not just gonna delete it. Plus, I've got other videos to make on this probably. But that was how to make kind of a Friday Night Funkin' scratch. Yeah, I don't know what they call these. I'm pretty sure there's a name for what these are on Scratch. I don't know. But like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.